Hello everyone, welcome to Exam Goals. Today in this video we are going to discuss important railway general knowledge questions. So let's start. Which country has the longest railway network? Answer: United States. How many zones are there in Indian Railway? Answer: 17. Which country has the fast railway? Answer: England. When was the first train started in India? Answer: 1853. Which is the oldest railway zone in India? Answer: Southern Railway. Which is the slowest train in India? Answer: Nilgiri Express. When was the Central Railway established? Answer: 1951. Who was the first woman rail minister of India? Answer: Mamata Banerjee. When was the first metro rail started in India? Answer: Kolkata. Which railway station has longest platform in India? Answer: Gorakhpur railway station. When was the first train started in world? Answer: 1825. The first Indian railway line was opened by the British. Answer: Bombay to Thane. The headquarters of Northern Railway is at? Answer: New Delhi. Which train in India has the longest route length? Answer: Kanyakumari to Dibrugarh Vivek Express. When was first electric train started in India? Answer: 1925. The headquarters of South Railways is situated at where? Answer: Chennai. Where is the highest railway bridge in the world? Answer: Chenab Bridge. The largest national enterprise of India is? Answer: Indian Railway. When was first rail budget presented in India? Answer: 1947. What is the full form of IRCTC? Answer: Indian Railway Catering and Tourism Corporation. What is the slogan of Indian Railways? Answer: Lifeline of the Nation. Who was the first loco pilot in India? Answer: Surekha Yadav. Shatabdi Express train was started in? Answer 1988. Which is the shortest railway station in India? Answer IV railway station, Odisha. Which was the fastest train in India? Answer Vande Bharat Express. Who is the father of Indian Railway? Answer Lord Dalhousie. Which country has world fastest train? Answer China. What is the symbol of Indian Railway? Answer elephant. Which is the first railway station in India? Answer Boribandar. Who was the first railway minister of India? Answer John Mathai. Thank you so much for watching this video.